As emotions ran high and social media lit up with backlash, authorities urged the public to take a step back and let the chips fall where they may. They emphasized that investigations must run their proper course, reminding everyone that due process is there to keep things on an even keel for all sides involved. Ryan Lesigas tells us more.
Fairness in all investigation is upheld for the benefit of both the accused and complainant. This is the response of the Philippine National Police or PNP after being flooded with curses and bashing on social media on the Quezon City Police District or QCPD's insistence that the driver of the car, which hit a student who jumped from Light Rail Transit 1 on February 11, could face charges. Some even described the loss of the Philippines as useless. For some, the driver had no fault in the student's act of jumping and did not intentionally hit the student with his vehicle. The QCPD explained that bringing the driver to precinct for a statement is merely part of law enforcement procedure.
Malinaw po dun sa nakita namin sa CCTV na provide ng LRT. Yung bata po, pabalik-balik siya dun sa area na parang tumitingin siya dun sa kalsada. Then after how many minutes, sumampa siya. Actually may nag-attempt pa nga na pigilan siya. But tumalon po yung bata.
According to QCPD Director Police Brigadier General Randy Glenn Silvio, the video circulating on social media claiming that the driver may face a charge of reckless imprudence resulting to homicide is incomplete or intentionally cut.
During ganitong mga insidente, gumagawa rin tayo ng investigation report, yung chronology of events. Sa investigation report, makikita natin yung chronology of events, kung paano, sino ang unang nag-responde. Ang una kasi pong nag-responde, yung Station 15. Ang alam lang, ang report sa kanila may tumalon. Nung meron na pong involved na sasakyan, that's the time the District Traffic Enforcement Unit na ang papasok. Traffic investigators na po ang magdidetermine kung may mali yung driver or wala.
After their investigation, the driver was also released the following day. PNP Public Information Office Chief Police Brigadier General Randolph Tuanyo also said that based on the backtracking of the CCTV footage, no negligence was found on the part of the driver in the incident.
Malinaw naman po, doon sa 365 yung RII in homicide, sinasabi po rito na kapag mayroong negligence, hindi pulis ang magdedetermine kung may kapabayaan yung ating pong, yung pong driver. Sa particular na case po dito, usually po, sir, ang nangyayari, kapag nakita po ng investigador na mayroong negligence base doon sa mga ebidensya, ipinapile po ito sa prosecutor's office para yung prosecutor's office ang magsasabi kung may probable cause o hindi.
He also said that the victim's parents are convinced that driver has no liability on what happened to their child, which is why they will no longer file a complaint. The NAPOLCOM said police traffic procedures need to be reviewed. NAPOLCOM Chairperson Rafael Calinisan questioned how there could be reckless imprudence resulting to homicide if the victim came from above. Calinisan added that the NAPOLCOM and the PNP have started studying traffic procedures aimed at implementing reforms. Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.